The HP 14s-dq5007TU is a comfortable recommendation for those who like a portable, everyday machine with a budget for working. Designed to keep you productive and entertained from anywhere, the HP 14-inch laptop combines long-lasting battery life with a thin and portable, micro-edge bezel design. Its operating system Windows 11 Home. And laptop's width is 32.4 cm, depth 22.5 cm, height 1.79 cm, and weight, starting at 1.46 kg. The HP 14s-dq5007TU laptop comes with the Intel 12th Gen Core i5-1240p processor, it's up to 4.4 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, and 12 MB L3 cache, 12 cores, 16 threads. And the multi-core is designed to improve performance. This laptop is 8 GB DDR4-3200 MHz RAM, and 512 GB NVMe TLCM.2 SSD storage, that offers good space to store your important files and gives fast performance. With Intel IRSC graphics for better performance and a better user performance. The 14s-dq5007TU is 3-sided bezel edges, high resolution, with 35.6 cm, 14, diagonal, Full HD, 1920 by 1080, IPS, 250 nits, 45% NTSC display with features like Bright View for better eye protection. It's absolute best image quality that you'll get from HP TrueVision 720p HD webcam, and is great for peace of mind when you're on video calls all day long. There is an HP dual speaker setup with HP Boost and powered by Bang & Olufsen to deliver loud, clear and immersive audio. The laptop draws power from a lithium-ion battery that gives a decent up to 10 hours battery life. And the laptop is Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi Realtek 802 connectivity. In this laptop both sides are one multi-format SD media card reader, one headphone/microphone combo jack, one super speed USB Type-C 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, two super speed USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, one HDMI 1.4b and one AC Smart Pen. Overall, the 14s-dq series is a great laptop for students that have lots of security and manageability concerns, and it's super easy to carry around, and it's got most of the features that students and business executives and users really need.